welcome to a new episode of Bravo Charlie's. Today we're here for the first kitchen video in the new log cabin. Can the camera see you? Say hi.
Hi.
Needed to buy a couple new appliances, so I bought them both Hamilton Beach appliances, a toaster oven and a crock pot. Actually, did you know they're not called crock pots? It's like Kleenex. It's really a tissue if you're getting a Puffs rather than a Kleenex. It's called a slow cooker. I just realized this. I've always called it a crock pot my entire life, but it's called a slow cooker. Crock pot's a brand. So you can see a quick little review of the kitchen. I'm going to do more of a video showing the kitchen when it's fully set up. We still have things in different places. We're not sure 100% if we want to keep them there. But we're going to put a toaster oven in that back corner. And then currently in that back corner is a 4-quart slow cooker, crock pot. This is a 6-quart. The 4-quart's not quite big enough. If you're cooking for 2, then that's fine. But if you're cooking for any more than 2, or even for a few nights worth of dinners, you need something bigger like the 6-quart. But let's start first with the toaster oven by Hamilton Beach. This is the easy to reach Hamilton Beach toaster oven. It's just a little red one. It's not digital, it's nothing fancy. I just wanted a basic toaster oven because we have a nice gas range and an oven here. But if you just want to heat up something small, the toaster oven is awfully handy to have. Let's get this unwrapped. Yeah, Jordan, pull that off. And remember, if you like this content, hit the subscribe button below, because this is what we're going to do a lot of times, is reviews of products. So stick around to hear everything about these 2 Hamilton Beach products. And we're actually going to be filming another video today for chicken soup. But I'll release them on different dates. Because it's hard to... What?
That got real close to me.
It's hard to edit these things and shoot everything in the same day. Okay, Jordan, go ahead. Come over. Let's see. Pull this out. You hold the box. There we go.
Here's this thing.
What do we got now?
I don't know.
Here, let's put the box on the floor.
I'll get it.
So here we go. I bought the red model.
Because you like red.
Oh, that's probably the trays.
Yeah.
So we bought a red. That's Giovanna's favorite color, and now
And mine.
it's Jordan's favorite color too. This was, did I buy this on Amazon, or did I buy it? I bought it at bestbuy.com for $62.
Your directions.
We don't need those for this. Okay, so here we go. It is, let me take some of this tape off. It's packed pretty well. It's a nice metal finish.
Should we do these?
Nah, just put them on the floor. We have our cooking trays. Let's see here. Little protective cardboard here to keep it from scratching. Let me have the bottom tray, Jordan, this. So it comes with a crumb catcher that you put in the very bottom. There, that goes in like that. Let me have the, got that peeled off. Let me have that. Let's see, this probably goes in like so. And then the tray can go underneath it for storage, or you can put it on top. So the tray can go on top, or keep it on the bottom. So it's a pretty simple setup. Pretty nice little toaster oven. It'll go nicely in that corner over there. It'll match the other red appliances we have on the counter. It has a selector dial for temperature, that's it, and a timer dial, that's it. I didn't want anything digital, just something simple like this is all we needed. What'd you say, Jordan?
You have to squeeze it in.
Let me see.
In order to make it go back.
So you can turn it that way, but it won't go back on its own. You have to...
Squeeze it.
That's weird. No, it'll go both ways. Why are the... We might have to read the instructions. What are the buttons for?
You just made me chuck them across the room.
You threw them across the room,
Yeah,
not
but
me.
you said that we didn't need them.
Let's see what those buttons are for.
Okay. The buttons on the side of the dowel are for when you want to turn it to the broil setting. You can't just do it without pressing the buttons.
Got it. So, yeah, it's locked right there unless you hit the release buttons to go to broil. And then you go to the broil setting. And there's a little note in here to put the rack up on the top shelf if you are broiling something. So it's pretty nice. You could fit 4 slices of toast in here at a time. I'll probably use it for cooking bacon in the morning because I like bacon baked rather than fried. It still cooks in the bacon fat because you have it all in the tray. I just like the flavor of it better in the oven rather than in the frying pan. What else, Jordan? Pretty nice little oven.
Well, first you burn your bacon, which isn't very good.
Okay, who likes bacon that's crisp, or who likes bacon that wiggles?
No,
I like bacon
your
that's crisp.
bacon is crisp, but it's burnt.
It's better that way.
You need to learn how to do it crisp, but not burnt.
It's better that way.
No, it's not.
Okay, well there you have it. Okay, let's go to the other Hamilton Beach product, Jordan.
Okay.
Why'd you run away? Okay, Jordan, bring up the other product. This is the slow cooker that we got from Hamilton Beach. Let's see here. Once again, this was from Best Buy as well, and it is it was less than 30 bucks.
Really?
Yeah, this was half the cost of the little toaster oven. I don't like this. No, well, here. It's the stay or go because it does have a lid that clamps down. So a lot of times when you do a pressure cooker, it's for a lot of things. Not pressure cooker, doggone it, slow cooker. A lot of times when you do something in a slow cooker, if you are taking it to a potluck dinner or something like that, it's handy this way because you can secure the lid directly to the pot and then just take the pot and leave the cooker portion at home. The other slow cooker that we have back there from Hamilton Beach does not have the stay or go lid with the attachment to it.
It can go in the dishwasher.
Most of them can.
Really?
Yeah.
I just saw the dishwasher.
Go ahead, pull the box. Okay. Here's the lid. Don't need that.
We don't?
No.
Okay.
Take the plug off. Now, this mess you're making over there, I hope you realize you're cleaning it all.
Yes, I know. It's just boxes and plastic.
Okay.
And styrofoam.
All for the burning pile.
Yep.
Okay, here's the 6-quart pot inside the slow cooker. And let me grab the 4-quart pot real quick. You see this easily fits inside of the 6-quart one. So it is going to give us a lot more cooking space. We're making ribs and kielbasa and sauerkraut tonight. So this will be perfect. And then the stay or go lid, go ahead Jordan, do that side. You put it up here and then you pull this handle down. So now, oh, I'm sorry, you do take the whole pot with you, or the cooking mechanism with you. I thought the pot just locked on itself, but it actually takes the whole cooking mechanism. So when you get to the potluck dinner, you get to your friend's house or whatever, you can put this back on warm. So you have warm, low, and high up here. You can put this back on warm when you get to the party you're going to or the family dinner you're going to, and then reheat everything once you're there. So this is actually pretty nice. It's well made. These are handy. Now the last slow cooker that I bought a few years ago was digital. And someone pointed out to me the fault in that I didn't think of. I just thought it would be cool to have a more modern slow cooker. The problem with the digital one is if the power goes out, you stop cooking completely. On an analog one, where there is no electronic features or anything to have trouble with if the power goes out, even if the power goes out for an hour or two, when the power comes back on, this keeps cooking because there's no digital timer. If it's digital, you're done. So I went with the less expensive, and the digital ones are a lot more expensive. This is just fine. So I went with the analog one that is simplified and kind of foolproof. So 2 Hamilton Beach products today, the toaster oven, the slow cooker, aka the crock pot. Both pretty nice, both reasonable. Let's see, both of them with, there was no shipping cost with Best Buy because I picked it up at my local Best Buy store. This was maybe 28 bucks, $29. I'll put all the links below for this and the toaster oven. The toaster oven was about $62. I'll put those links below. I am on Instagram now, posting a lot on the log cabin, different things that we're doing, plus different things that we're cooking and stuff like that. Jordan made me a birthday cake the other day. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'll be 49. Yep.
Gonna be old.
Yes. Favorite birthday cake? Store-bought Duncan Hines with store-bought Duncan Hines icing. It's the best. It's simple, but it's the way my mother used to do it, so that's what still tastes good to me. So thank you for joining us this episode of Bravo Charlie's. We're happy you're here. We're happy you're in the log cabin with us. Lots more content coming. We'll see you next time at Bravo Charlie's.
Bye.